10 Best AI Tools You Should Know. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create, communicate, and interact with technology. Whether you are an artist, content creator, or just looking for innovative tools to enhance your daily tasks, these top 10 AI-powered tools offer remarkable capabilities across various fields. Let's explore how they can help transform your creative and professional endeavors. 1. Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai allows users to craft digital artwork by sketching on a canvas, which the AI refines into highly detailed images based on your descriptions. You can select various art styles, such as cinematic or fantasy, and even create motion videos from the generated images. 2. RunwayML. RunwayML brings your still images to life by animating specific areas. With just a few brushstrokes, you can choose parts of an image to move, whether it's animals, water, or fire, resulting in lifelike animated scenes. 3. HeyGen. HeyGen leverages AI to translate videos into more than 29 languages. By simply uploading a video and selecting your desired language, the tool translates your spoken words, breaking language barriers and enabling global communication. 4. MusicFi. MusicFi transforms your voice into the sounds of musical instruments. With this tool, you can mimic the tones of instruments like an electric guitar, and AI will remix your voice into a full-fledged musical track without needing any actual instruments. 5. 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers speech-to-speech conversion, enabling you to modify your voice using AI. You can select from various pre-made voice options, transforming your voice into that of a cartoon character or a professional speaker for added creativity or professionalism. 6. ClipDrop. ClipDrop makes face swapping in photos effortless with AI technology. Upload an image, and the tool lets you replace faces with your own or someone else's, blending the features seamlessly for an incredibly realistic result. 7. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, can generate human-like text responses. It is widely used for content creation, answering queries, and even building custom AI applications by training it on specific data, providing limitless creative possibilities. 8. DALL-E. DALL-E, another OpenAI creation, generates stunning, unique images from text descriptions. By simply describing what you want, the AI brings your imagination to life, making it a powerful asset for designers, artists, and content creators in need of custom visuals. 9. Midjourney. Midjourney excels at creating high-quality, artistic visuals based on text prompts. Whether you prefer abstract, surreal, or fantasy art, this tool generates stunning imagery perfect for conceptual art, making it a favorite among artists. 10. MyHeritage AI Time Machine. MyHeritage AI Time Machine takes your photos and generates historical versions of yourself, placing you in various time periods. This fun and creative tool combines historical imagery with AI to transport you back in time. These AI tools range from art and animation to language translation and voice conversion, offering innovative ways to boost creativity and productivity. Explore these technologies to enhance your projects, whether for personal use or professional advancement. Conclusion: the power of AI continues to grow, offering versatile solutions for a variety of creative and technical needs. These 10 AI tools are just a glimpse of what is possible with this technology. Try them out and see how they can transform your creative process and professional work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest AI tools.